In these two problems, we're being asked to find the area of these circles, both the exact and the approximate. Here, in this one, they're giving me the diameter that goes from the edge to the center to the other edge. That's the diameter. In this one, they're giving me the radius that goes from the center to the edge. So that's the radius. My equation for the area is pi r squared. So notice that this is asking for the radius. So that one is okay. That one, I need to find the radius. So that's the first thing that I'm going to do, is find the radius of this equation, of this circle. I know the diameter is all the way through. The radius is only halfway through. So I'm going to take the diameter and I'm going to divide it by 2. So I have my 3 divided by 2. This is giving me 1.5. Now I can use that in my equation up there. So my area is pi times 1.5 squared. Order of operations, I have to do the square before I can do the times. So I grab my calculator. 1.5 to the second power is 2.25. So I wrote the 2.25 first because typically numbers are written before pi. I still need to put my units on this, and when I get my units on this, I'll have my exact answer. I was multiplying inches by inches. So my units are inches squared. This is the exact answer. Now I'm going to take this answer and I'm going to find the approximate. So again, I grab my calculator. I take my 2.25 times, and I'm going to use 3.14 for pi. My calculator is telling me 7.065. And I still need to have my units on the end here. Now I have my approximate answer. So this problem is done. Let's move on to that problem. Like I said earlier, I already have r, so I can jump straight into the equation up here. Area is pi r squared. I'm going to replace the r with 5. I have to square my 5 before I multiply the pi. So area is 25 pi. I need my units. Centimeters squared. Now I have my exact answer. I don't have my approximate answer yet, so I have a little bit more work to do with this. I'm going to use, instead of 3.15, 22/7. So my approximate answer is going to be 25 times 22/7. Now I need to type that into my calculator and find my answer. "25 times 22 divided by 7 equals." My calculator is giving me the decimal answer. $78.57. I need my units on there. Centimeters squared. The 7 is followed by a 1. So I'm allowed to keep this as a 7. I don't need to change it into an 8.